How to fix package installer keeps stopping problem. So if you want to fix the problem on package installer keeps stopping, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down and tap on apps. Under apps, you need to tap on see all apps, and once you tap on it, here on the upper side you will have the search option, right? So simply go for the search and search for package installer. So if you have your package installer, you just need to simply open up your package installer. Like for example, I don't have package installer, but instead of that I'll be choosing my albums. So if you have your package installer, simply tap on the package installer and you will have this kind of interface where what you need to do is you just need to simply go for storage and cache under that. Once you go for storage and cache, you just need to go for clear cache and you need to clear all of the cache that you have under that package installer. So once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can also go for clear storage and you can clear all of the storage that you have under your package installer. And once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. And after doing all of these settings, what you need to do is you just need to simply go and restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button and then tap on restart and restart your device, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. Or you can simply go for your Play Store or your App Store and you need to search for the package installer that you have installed. For example, if you have this kind of application, then you might have an update option under that. So if you have any updates under your App Store or your Play Store, you just need to simply go and update your package installer application, and once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.